Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. After that you can see right hand side search button, just enter to click and then enter the model number of motherboard X870 AORUS Technon ICE and then hit enter. Then hit enter. Then click on the product. Same, click on the name of the title. So guys, then it is your motherboard and click on the support. Select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So guys, both operating system installations process same. And guys, first download, after that show you how to install in your system. So first, audio driver, you can see SD audio driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see like this. Okay, this is Firefox, and if you are using other browser also, so same. Then you can see chipset, just open it. So AMD chipset driver, download this one, and this is download icons to download. Okay, and then scroll down, LAN driver, click on LAN driver. After the Realtek LAN driver and click to download. Same condition, it will start downloading. Then you can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. WLAN and BT means Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So first Wi-Fi driver, same, click to download, and then Bluetooth driver, and click to download. And then USB driver. So IT USB driver and click to download. Then you can see it is start downloading, which is all completed. You just click on these locations where it is open the your driver, and then show you how to extract and how to install. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations, just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same, close it. You can, then this one, right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this, right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install, but sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back, then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back, then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver. This is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart, so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.